Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Quizizz and Google with the same account so permissions align. Once signed, create or import a quiz in Quizizz. Set time limits, attempts, and reporting options so grading works automatically. Next, open Google Classroom and select the class where you'll assign the quiz. Then click Create or Material to prepare the post. This sequence avoids permission errors and speeds assignment delivery. Make sure to keep the quiz visibility set to students. Now you'll assign the quiz directly from Quizizz. Select your quiz and click Assign, then pick Google Classroom as the destination. Configure due date, points, and access. This ensures scores sync to Classroom correctly. Once you've selected the class, attach clear instructions for students and choose whether to post immediately or schedule. Make sure to check Allow Student Retakes if needed. This affects reporting. By doing these steps in this order, you reduce confusion and ensure finish by verifying the assignment appears in Google Classroom and that the link opens correctly for students. After submissions, review Quizizz reports to inspect answers and sync grades. If grades didn't transfer, make sure you posted via Quizizz's Google Classroom option, then sync manually. If something goes wrong, relink accounts in Quizizz settings, refresh classroom permissions, or repost the assignment. These fixes resolve most issues. Finally, inform students of any resubmission windows and confirm grades once sync completes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.